Hadis-hadis kelebihan ayam jantan semua dusta. Kecuali satu hadis je. Apabila kamu dengar suara ayam jantan, maka pohonlah kepada Allah kelebihannya. Idza sami'tu siyahad dika fas'alullaha min fadlih. Apabila kamu mendengar ayam jantan berkokok, minta pada Allah kelebihannya. Mintalah apa pun. Kerana dia nampak malaikat. Jadi malaikat tu boleh aminkan. Tapi kalau dengar bunyi keldai, istighfar, ta'awuz, sebab auzubillah, kerana dia nampak syaitan.
When Muhammad he says this, look at this. I mean, look at this hilarious, stupid stories. Allah knows best. The Prophet said, when you hear the crowing of the cocks, ask for Allah blessing, for their crowing indicate that they have seen an angel. Man, when I was in Asia, looked like angels all over in the Buddha country. Angels are not in Arabia. Angels are in a like, I mean, unbelievable. If you hear the crowing of a rooster, that because he saw an angel, Allah is all-knowing. And if you seen the donkey braying, that's mean he saw a shaitan. But hold on, I mean, this story is a disaster. Guys, do you remember the story of Muhammad when he saw the angel first time? He told his wife, I see someone, I'm not sure if he's an angel or not, in the corner of his room. And his wife Khadija, she asked him to sit in the top of her leg, in the right one, then in the left one, and then she asked him to sit in the top of her, and each time he moved, she asked him, do you see him? He said, yes, he's still there. Then she took off her clothes to have sex with him, and then she asked him, do you see him? He said, no. She said, glory to Allah, this is an angel. So Muhammad himself is not qualified to recognize who is an angel, who is shaitan. But Mr. Rooster can do that. A rooster, he do not need his wife, Mrs. Chicken, to help him to recognize if this is an angel or not. A donkey, he do not need his wife, Mrs. Donkey, to recognize if this is shaitan or not. But Muhammad, who is a prophet, yet he cannot recognize shaitan from an angel. Which means a donkey is more qualified than Muhammad to be a prophet in Islam, and a rooster is more qualified than Muhammad to be a prophet in Islam. For both of them, they can recognize shaitan from angel, but Muhammad cannot. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Oh, an angel. Hey, angel, are you there? I am going to buy 4 donkeys, and I will put a donkey in the corner of every corner of my house. So in case a shaitan he get close, I get alarmed. Allah knows best, don't he?
Bahasa Aram, Allahu disebut dengan sebutan Elaha, dan dalam bahasa Ibrani disebut dengan Elohim. Perbedaan itu terjadi karena faktor dialek antara dialek bahasa Arab, dialek bahasa Aram, dan bahasa Ibrani. Faktanya ketiga lafal ini merujuk kesamaan dan merujuk kepada satu esensi yang sama. Karena ketiga bahasa ini berpunca pada satu bahasa, yakni rumpun bahasa Semitik. Ini menunjukkan bahwa Tuhannya Adam, Tuhannya Ibrahim, Tuhannya Musa, Tuhannya Isa atau Yesus, dan Tuhannya Nabi Muhammad SAW merupakan Tuhan yang sama. Yap, mereka menyembah Tuhan yang sama. Dan ternyata kita sebenarnya menyembah Tuhan yang sama.
The second you ask them a serious question, but they say not. They talk too much, but they say nothing. Brother, the Lord Allah, brother, is the same God worshipped by Musa, brother. Is the same God worshipped by Jesus, brother. It's the same. What same God? Don't you see in the front of you, you idiot? And if we have the same God, why our God don't promise us an endless penis like your God? And what I will do with endless penis? Is that a reward or a penalty? You see, it might be accepted to have endless tail because the tail will be dropped in your back. But a penis endless in the front of you, how you can walk? Are you going to walk backward? Are you going to carry it in the top like a trailer? You are here, but your penis is in the Amazon jungles, and all those sharp teeth fish are having their bites. We have the same God, brother. The God of Jesus, brother. He is the one who created Jesus, brother. The one who created Jesus, brother. He promised you 70 years orgasm. So I go to visit Zach and Naik. I knock at the door. You're going to believe that I'm having an orgasm. And then I come next year. I'm having an orgasm. The year after. 70 years orgasm. And your God is the same as our God. Your God is a perverted porn star God. He's stuck with the number 70. My people will be 70 sect. 72 wives. 70 years orgasm.
Tapi kata Rasulullah, kesibukan para lelaki nanti di dalam surga adalah, malu saya ceritakannya nih. Mau terus? Kesibukan para lelaki yang masuk surga di surga adalah memecah perawan istri-istrinya. Perawan terus. Habis malam pertama dapatkan perawan istri, selesai dia perawan lagi. Gitu. Serius, Pak. Bagusnya ibu-ibu gak ikut dengar pengajian ini. Ini khusus bapak-bapak. Kata Rasulullah, maaf ini hadisnya sahih. Tolong baca nanti dalam kitab Tamasya ke Surga oleh Syekh Ibnul Qayyim Al-Jauziyah. Judul aslinya adalah Hadil Arwah ila Biladil Afrah. Rasul berkata, maaf, zakar laki-laki ketika dia berdiri karena syahwat selama 70 tahun berdirinya. Yes. Lah kalau sekarang 1 jam sudah klepak-klepak.